What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm back at it again, man. Hey, man. Hey, check this out. Now, I know it's been a little minute since I done posted a little video on here. I know that. I know. Just chill, relax. I'm back. I know y'all happy. Hey, I know y'all happy, man. So, I come back to y'all today. You're filming. I'm very excited. Bring something new to the channel. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. You know, I get that from the Beard family, all that, la 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 la. But check this out, man. I'm excited. I've been waiting on this day for a long time. A long time. Highly anticipated on my part. But I'm going to get this new camera, so I'm finna go with my sister. She probably finna bust in my room in a second. Like, dude, you ready to go? Yeah, I'm ready to go. I've been waiting for this camera for a long time. So I might have some B-roll. I don't know. I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. Yeah. Alright, y'all. We done made it back to the house. You see what they had at Best Buy? They had a little line. They only did curbside pickup. These motherfuckers didn't even put my shit in the bag. They didn't put my shit in the bag. I think that would be more cleanly than just, here you go. What the fuck? Best Buy. Step your game up. But, we got us a SD card and all that, yeah. 64 gig. I don't know how long that's gonna last, so. Yeah, no. They had a little deal for like a 32, but I was like, I can get a 64 for like $5 more. So I want to get the double the storage, $5. Got me a little tripod. Yeah, oh my god, I can't even really. Oh, I can't really see it, but yeah, little tripod. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look, little back. And the star of the show. Yes, sir. Nikon PowerShot SX740HS, baby. Y'all see that right there? Y'all see that little badge right there? Baby, that's a 4K, baby. 4K. It's the future. Yes, sir. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all this other shit I don't care about. I just care about that, and that. Goddamn. Let's do it. Let's have a little unboxing, shall we? Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Don't mind my bed. It's all wrinkling. But, yeah, let's do it. Yes, sir. Hit that. Ooh, we got all types of little goodies in here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Warranty. What is this? Getting started. La la la. Throw that to the side too. What the hell is this? Project. What? Register your product. Throw that to the side. My hair kind of getting in the way. My baby. Alright. Now we getting to it, baby. Ooh, what is this? Probably about that. Got a charging thing. Okay. Got, what the hell? Got a little lanyard. Okay, that's cute. What is this? Oh, the battery. Let's get that bitch up out of there. And whew, the box empty. This is what we do it for right here, ladies and gentlemen. I present to you my baby. Oh, baby. Yes. Whew. I've been waiting for this for a long time, y'all. Pop the battery in them and let's do it. Tell me. How do you pop the battery in here? Oh, okay. It's kind of hard to do all this with one hand, but you know, I'm very gifted. You feel me? I'm assuming it go in like this. Yeah? Okay. Push down. Wait, y'all. I might have to put the phone down for this. Cause this motherfucker ain't close. It wanna fight. Hold on, y'all. All right, we got the battery in. We got the memory card in. Oh baby, oh baby. Hold on, I gotta set all this, y'all. 1 second. All right, hey, let me wipe my camera off because this ain't doing it no justice. All right, look at that. Whew. Yes, sir. We got this thing on and popping. I'm finna switch to the camera, go outside, show y'all how this thing can do. Yes, sir. All right, I'm outside right now. Sun is almost setting, so it's really beating on me for real. But I just wanted to get out here and see how good it look. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna come out here, look at some stuff, zoom in on a couple other things, and yeah, people gonna look at me like, why the fuck this nigga out here holding the camera? I don't know, it is hot out here. It's blazing. Yeah, I'm gonna take y'all around back, and we're gonna zoom in on some animals. There's some animals out here. Y'all know. It's my car back there. That's my baby. Hello, Father and Uncle Derek.
Yeah.
I got a new camera. Oh, I didn't know they'd be back here. Y'all must be feeding them. Oh, it's a bunch of stuff floating around in the air.
Little old thing bite the shit out of it.
Yeah.
A little old fish, you can't feel it.
Mm.
You coming in that door?
No, I'm not. I came through the front door. I'm gonna go back through the front door. Yep. So we got the little duckies out here. They always feeding the ducks. That's why they always come to our back porch. I don't know why they always feeding things. They're like rats. Rats with wings. They got a little fruit tree. Dad got all these fruit trees. That's a banana tree over here. And he got a, I don't know what this is. I think it's dead. But yeah, it's on pretty far. This one's pretty far. I'm really not shaking the camera all that much. But when I do, you can see it move around a lot. But that's cool with me. So I'm probably gonna be like this most of the time. Yeah, that's more ducks over here splashing and jump. All those geese. Look at all those chickens. And you know, try not to look in anybody's house and never know what they're doing. And but yeah. Oh, hold on. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all a couple things. You know, show off this new camera. Very excited. Very excited. Yeah, I'm very excited. I feel like I got like a big ass selfie stick or something. My sister's picking on me, talking about I look like a old white lady at an old white lady at Disney World with a selfie stick. She got 1,000 jokes. 1,000 jokes. I'm finna go around back. I might take around front because I'm already in the back. Take a couple pictures and I don't know. So yeah. So I hope y'all like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We got most stuff coming on the way. Yeah, so y'all do all that. Yeah.